Hi, Dominica here, your vocal coach at Singing Carrots. Let's talk today about 3 features here at Pit Training that can help you practice even better. 1, control to go up, control to go down, and the loop feature. All 3 features can be found right under the play button. We see an arrow to the left, which will make the melody go lower and lower. The arrow pointing to the right, which will make the melody go higher and higher. And finally, the loop feature. With this button, you can also loop the exercise, which means it will keep repeating over and over without stopping. And this is great because you can focus on tricky parts without restarting. It helps you build muscle memory and confidence. And of course, the more you repeat, the easier it gets. Singing scales or patterns in both directions is super important because it trains your voice to move smoothly and stay in control, whether you're going higher or lower. So next time you're practicing, try using these controls to challenge yourself and make the most of your sessions. Happy singing!